My people, good morning. You can see my fish. You know, when my daughter started this, I look at her and say, wow. So at least my place can contain some. And I decide to do it on my own. And I joined her. And this fish has become another set of business. I'm so interested in. I love it. It gives me joy. In fact, whenever I come back, it's something else that gives me joy. In fact, you can see my fish is so big. It's not small, it's getting bigger. Hmm? Now, so I would like you to, if you can do this business, my dear, it's good though. If you have a place that you can, even if you are not doing the one, you don't want to do it for as business, or you want to at least train the one you can eat. Oh my God. At least you will not be throwing out money. You will gain it. There are a lot of gain in it. It's very good if you work for you. Please, that's why I say anything I see, let me teach my people on how to do it. If you buy it, at least depend on the size you bought. You buy a fingernail fish, put it, just get a pond. Even if you don't have a pond, you have a tank. You can buy up a tank and start with it. It's one of my tank, I have 60. And one of my, I got another one that is bigger, that can contain up to 200. And the ones in that bigger tank is big already, very big. Then I have a pond. Before I did a pond. And that one of pond, I have up to 500 or more than that. Why am I telling you all this? Is because this year, 2025, we will be doing both business too on this page. Please, I would like you to join. Get one tank. Start up. At least when everything, you can dry it and keep it. Instead of buying from the market, you less the money. Do you want to do it? Then you want someone to train you. Fine. You can contact us. Not only that, please try to do one more than 3 things this year. This year, 2025, you go shele shele. But we are not praying for bad. We know that it is well with us. And if you are doing all this kind of thing in your family, your children will gain a lot, because they may not even think it's business. But when they grow up, you notice that it's not only that he learned handwork. It's not only that he went to school, but there are some other things that he know how to do. Look at the fish. Can you see the fish? Can you see it? See it. See it. And do you see the joy I have in my mind? I'm happy doing it. See my daughter. She's in fact, that one, my oga, na be director. Yes, thank you. Love Ada Family TV brought this to you.